how to make Gmail folders on your Gmail account or your Gmail. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started right away. And type here mail.google.com in order to open your Gmail account. Now, in Gmail, folders are not exactly called folders. Gmail has an alternative to folders that's called labels. So as you can see here, we have important and scheduled and all mail. Here, all of these are not folders. Like in Outlook, these are called labels, and you gotta categorize them here. As you can see, there are categories, and you can manage labels from here. And in order to create a new folder using labels, click on create labels on the left here, just under manage labels, and let's name this like label 1 and click on create. Now, as you can see, label 1 is created, and you can find it here under labels section. It's the last thing here, and you can choose the emails to put in it by selecting the email and click on labels and choose the label you want to add it to it, or you can drag it like this and put it here. And now these are in the label 1 folder or just label 1. And that's it. It was very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.